guys, welcome back to your YouTube channel. It's me, Princess, and here again for another vlog. So for today's vlog is, may nagbigay na naman sa akin ng dumpling squishy. At first is mag-alcohol muna tayo guys para hindi siya madumihan. So i-open it. So alcohol na tayo. Sorry, natumba. I'm so sorry, guys. So, I have a dumpling squishy. She gave in my busog pa ko. Wait lang, sorry guys. This is he gave in my classmate. I do not said the name. Sorry. Please, I do not say that name. Sorry. So guys, ito na pala siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman guys. Ito talaga guys, hindi ko talaga ito inopen din guys. Kara lang kasi ito sa inyo. Guys, heart ulit guys. Hindi ko alam kung violet na ba to or pink ulit or glitters na ba. Why is na all glitters? So, yung violet na glitters. Tignan nyo muna, guys. Nakita nyo na? Lang, guys. Nakita nyo na? Nakita nyo na, guys. Okay na? Kaya, kunin ko na. Century! Nakaharap na ko, guys. Century! 2, 1, go. Open it. Hindi ko alam guys. Sorry, SMR muna natin. Buksan na natin guys. Huwag na natin patatagalin. It is hard. The violet na siya guys. Please. Violet or pink or glitters or anong bang glitters. Bisa kay nandito ang glitters or pink or kahit ano na glitter guys. 3, 2, 1, go. Open that. Ano naman? Oh, OMG! Ito siya guys. Ang ganda, cutie pie. Lang crunchy guys. Ganyan guys, ang crunchy niya. Hala. Ito sa akin yung dumi. OMG. So sad. Oh no. What the hell? So guys, siya ito fun. Siya ito fun. Saan yung ating fun? Ito pala. Gagi. So, check fun. Low battery din pala. Wait lang guys. Papahanginan ko muna. Tara, saway tayo. So, we'll open it. Wait lang. Tensyon nyo muna yan. So, this is my fun. So, we need to fun it. Wait a minute guys. Tututin ako. Oh, we need to fun it. I know. I don't like this. Bang. Sige, yan muna natin. Wait lang. Okay, sorry. Kik. Bam. Guys. Nalamig. Ba't ang igang guys kapag walang electric fan. Joke lang guys. Tagal naman. Tignan natin. Ano pa ba? Basan pa ba siya? What? Di. Yes, di na ako kakain. Uy. Talagay na tayo dyan. Mana akong inom ganina. Hindi mo kong gipainom. Nung kami, Simon. Sige na, guys. So nice. So very crunchy. Oh guys, nahulaan pala natin yung ating guest na Violet. Ganda! Gusto kong kumoy-kumoyin na lang siya. Tagay, tignan niyo. Ganda guys. Ito yung packaging. So guys, mag-comment na lang kayo kung gusto niyo magpagawa ng mga squishy. Here's my squishy and sinsyan mo na yung headband dyan guys. Dyan nakasabit guys. Sinsyan mo na lang yan. So this is the squishy. ASMR. And hi guys, mag-ano muna tayo guys, sasabihin na subscribe. Hi guys, welcome back sa YouTube channel. So this is me, Princess, and here we are again for another vlog. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you guys, I love you. Heart. And yun lang guys, bye!